Hey, I wanted to make a quick video to make sure you understood how to use your new vitamin C squares. I'm dropping them. They come in this really cool package, and when you open them up, in here are 12 packets. And so they have them individually packaged so they stay fresh as long as possible. Vitamin C tends to die off once it's exposed to air and light and those kinds of a thing. And so this is the way that you keep it utterly safe and effective for your face. And so when you are ready to use them 2 to 3 times a week, maybe weekends and Wednesdays, and add one more in there, you're gonna just open your packet and you just peel it back like this, and then there will be a square sitting there. I've already used the one in here, but just a little clear square, and you're gonna place it in the palm of your hand. Then you're gonna get a little bit of water and you're just gonna drip water and melt it down like this. You don't need more than 3 or 4 drops. Make sure you use your fingernail to kind of get it to come up and not set into your finger, into your hand. And then you're gonna take whichever serum you use. Tone correcting serum or replenishing serum would be my 2 top picks. Replenishing serum is more to lift while you're evening your skin tone. Tone correcting is all about evenness and smoothness and brightness and all that. And so you're gonna put 2 pumps into your hand and you're gonna mix it all together, and then you're gonna apply it to your face. Just make sure you do it first thing after washing. So you should have clean skin, and you don't wanna put anything on before you do this powerful step so that it doesn't have to fight through any other layers to break into your beautiful skin. And that's how you use them 2 to 3 times a week. Add them to your favorite serum. And if I can help, if you need tips beyond that, please let me know.